What if the reason you're slow at learning isn't because you're bad at it? What if you've simply been using the wrong method? Imagine spending 3 hours studying something and forgetting most of it the next day. Now imagine spending the same time and actually being able to use what you learned. The difference isn't intelligence. It's your learning system. Meet Alex. Alex wanted to learn a new skill, so he did what most people do. He watched tutorials, highlighted notes, saved videos, and told himself, I'm learning. But a week later, he couldn't explain the basics without looking at his notes. That's when he realized something uncomfortable. He wasn't learning. He was just consuming information. And that's the first mistake. Step 1. Stop consuming. Start retrieving. After learning something, close the book, close the video, and ask yourself, what can I remember without looking? Your brain gets stronger when it has to retrieve information, not when you simply reread it. Step 2. Learn by doing. Don't spend 10 hours watching someone edit videos. Edit one. Don't watch 20 coding tutorials. Write some code. Don't just read about public speaking. Speak, because information becomes skill through practice and feedback. Step 3. Teach it. After learning something, explain it like you're teaching a 12-year-old. If you can't explain it simply, you probably don't understand it deeply yet. And this is where something powerful happens. Confusion becomes visible. Now you know exactly what you need to learn next. And finally, stop trying to learn everything at once. Pick one small target, learn it, recall it, use it, get feedback, then repeat. Because trying to master everything usually means mastering nothing. Alex didn't become smarter overnight. He simply stopped asking, how much can I consume? And started asking, how much can I actually remember and use? And that's the secret. You don't need to learn more. You need to learn better. So the next time you sit down to learn something, don't start with another video. Start by asking yourself what you want to be able to do with it, because that's where real learning begins.